Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. I am Emma from ImmaculateBites.com. Today I'm going to be sharing with you another delicious recipe. This time is chicken thighs. These chicken thighs are baked, not fried. They're crispy on the outside, amazingly tender and juicy inside, packed full of flavor and healthier than traditional fried chicken. You won't believe they're baked. All you need to do is mix up all the ingredients, season your chicken, throw it in the oven, and you're good to go. Seriously guys, dinner couldn't be any easier. Let's get cooking. First, we're going to start by combining all the ingredients in the bowl. 2 teaspoons onion powder, half teaspoon dry thyme, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon smoked paprika, half teaspoon white pepper, half teaspoon cayenne pepper, half teaspoon bouillon powder. If you're cooking for kids, I would say cut down on your cayenne pepper. Mix well and set aside. Next, pat dry your chicken, season with salt on both sides, followed by the spice blend. Now we're going to transfer this chicken onto a prepared cookie sheet. Then we're going to bake it at 475 degrees for 20 minutes. Reduce the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, then bake for an additional 30 minutes. This baked crispy chicken is ready, perfectly cooked. I'm going to go ahead and cut it. This chicken is so flavorful, it's juicy, it's tender. You just have to try it. Let me go ahead and taste it. You're gonna wanna make this every single week, guaranteed. And your family wouldn't get enough of it. I like to add some veggies to it. My preference is broccoli, but you can use green beans, carrots, whatever veggies you have on hand. It just works. Also, you can serve it with rice, potatoes. The possibilities are endless. Thank you all for watching. I'm Emma from ImmaculateBites.com. If you love this video, give it a huge thumbs up, share, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Go ahead, make all your recipes immaculately delicious. Bye for now.